Where does Georgia go next? Further into the darkness or towards the light? Of course, in this country whose political schisms have again risen to the surface, it depends on who you ask and their view on what constitutes progress.
Everything, just appeared to be a huge lie, big lie.
Katia is an opposition MP so incensed by how the governing Georgian Dream Party fought and, as many believe, manipulated recent elections that she defaced one of their campaign posters. She's also spent nights on the cold streets with protesters calling for election results to be overturned.
We want democracy, we want coalition government, and we want our country to be back, the European integration path. This is our national and historic mission.
On their side is the EU, the outgoing Biden administration, and Georgia's largely ceremonial president, who's filed a case with the Constitutional Court to annul the election.
That case has raised big questions about whether the first session of the new parliament can go ahead on Monday. Can MPs be sworn in if the legality of the election that put them there has been appealed to the Constitutional Court?
We don't have a judiciary that is impartial, that is objective.
Some lawyers say parliamentary rules are clear on this, not that they think this will stop Georgian Dream.
They can meet, but they cannot recognize the authority of the deputies in the parliament. However, they're going to do it anyway.
Nanuka is right. While opposition parties intend to boycott the session, Georgian Dream is pushing ahead.
Parliament will sit on Monday, based on the constitution, according to the Georgian legislation, and there is no single provision in the constitution or in any other legal norm or act that can hinder this entire process.
Levan says the government will cooperate with an EU technical mission coming here to investigate alleged election irregularities, but the EU is in no mood yet to restart Georgia's stalled accession process.
They knew what they are applying for. They were applying to enter European Union as it stands with its principles, values and rules. Yet they are not willing to respect those rules.
Georgia is poised. From here, different directions are possible. And much depends on whether its constitutional guardrails can hold. Rory, Challands, Al Jazeera, Tbilisi.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.